Today we will learn text behind the object. Here is the normal video clips. I will write something here. Then I will fix to the align. Then we will select the place with the pen tool. When the selection is done, we will invert it. I will reduce the max feather. It's complete. You can add animation here if you want. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy it, please subscribe and like and comment if you have any question. See you again next time. Have a nice day.